Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 277. I'm going to show you two different methods. Open your computer search and search for CMD command. Right-click Run as admin. Click on Yes. Now you need to type two commands here. The first one is going to be netch space winsock space reset like this. And press Enter. Afterwards, the second command is going to be ipconfig space /flush DNS, and again, press Enter. Now you can close the command prompt. Now the second thing that you have to do is open your computer. Search again, find Roblox player, right-click, open file location, and again, right-click on the Roblox player, press Properties, and go into the Compatibility tab and check these three options. Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Disable host screen optimizations and run this program as an admin. As a bonus tip, you can check your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, maybe try connecting to an other or with an Ethernet cable. If this video helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips.